Sometimes we take on other people's energy or society or the world's energy or Instagram's energy. And we're like, I don't even know what is my own energy. So this meditation that I'm about to share with you, it's going to erase all of those other energies that are not yours. And you're going to come back into your flow, your vibration. It's a good one. Come sitting in your easy pose, sitting on the floor cross-legged, sitting on a chair, having a bit of lift in the booty with a cushion, whatever works for you. And you know what? We'll start off by just moving the body a little bit, just getting the body ready for what's about to happen, how you're about to clear out your chakras, clear out the energy that isn't yours. So bring your hands on your thighs and then just circle your upper body clockwise for a moment. And if it feels aligned for you, you can close the eyes down or just soften the gaze. And as you move forward, you inhale. As you circle back, you exhale. And keep moving with the breath. And then move in the other direction. Just a few more rounds here. All right, then inhale it up to center. And exhale. And let's begin. Bring your hands on your heart center, one hand on top of the other. And we're going to chant the mantra Sat Naam. And you're going to thread the mantra through every chakra, from the root to the sacral, to the navel, heart chakra, throat chakra, your third eye, and up and out of the crown and into your aura. So it's Sat Naam. It's a gentle activation of each of those chakras that is making that voice do that wave, your 7 waves Sat Naam. All right, no better way to feel it than to do it. And here we go, 6 minutes together.
Naam.
Gently, deeply press your hands onto your heart center. And exhale. Yes, beautiful meditation for you. Come back to your own vibration, your own rhythm. And if you're in LA, come to a class or check out one of my online offerings at KundaliniSilverLake.com. My name is Charisma. Sat Naam.